Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from stake to your Kraken account. So first of all, we need to open the Kraken and you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. So for example, you want to withdraw USDT from stake. In this case, you need to click deposit. Then in the search, you need to write USDT and you need to choose Tether USD. After that, you need to select the network. As I remember, Tron TRC20 has got lower fees, so I'll choose maybe TRC20. Also, there are other options, but in this case, I will choose Tron. Then click I understand and copy the wallet address. Now you can close your Kraken app and you need to go to the stake.com or stake US. It's the same. You need to click the wallet in the top, then click withdraw. Select the currency. In this example, I'm showing how to withdraw USDT. So I'll choose USDT and you need to choose the network. So I have chosen TRC20 Tron network from Kraken. The network should be the same, guys. So in this case, we are choosing TRC20, TRX, the same network. We have chosen on Kraken and you need to enter the amount in USD you want to withdraw. So for example, 100. And as you can see, minimum withdrawal is 2.5 and transaction fee is 0.5. You need to paste the Kraken USDT wallet address right here and click the blue withdraw button. So that's how you can withdraw money from stake to your Kraken account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.